Hi, good morning students. How are you? I hope all are fine at home. Okay, today we can discuss some problems about rational numbers on the basis of properties. What are the properties? Commutative property, associative property, and the last class, distributive property. Okay, it is the fifth example in your textbook. Find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. It is a question. Then how can find the answer of this question? Okay, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay, in this question, minus 3 by 7 has repeated twice. The first and last minus 3 by 7 has repeated twice. Then by commutative property we can change the order of this question. Then 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Then we change the minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 has the second order, minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 minus 1 by 14. One thing, if you change the order of the question, you must change that sign of that numbers. The sign of 1 by 14 is negative and 3 by 7 is negative. Then in the first two cases, minus 3 by 7 is repeated. Then we can take out from these two cases minus 3 by 7 as common. By distributive property, minus 3 by 7 take us the first from two cases, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. In both cases, the sign of 3 by 7 is negative. Then we take us minus 3 by 7 as common. Then the remaining numbers are 2 by 5 plus the second case 3 by 5 and the last case minus 1 by 14. Is that common? Then we add the bracket 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Then denominators are same. We add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1. Okay, 5 by 5 is 1. We get minus 3 by 7 into 1 minus 1 by 14. If you multiply with any number with 1, we get that the same number. Minus 3 by 7 into 1 is minus 3 by 7. Then the last number is 1 by 14, minus 1 by 14. Okay, minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. 7 and 14. What is the LCM of 7 and 14? Is 14 as taken as LCM of 7 and 14. Then 3 as changed to minus 6 because 14 by 7 is 2. We multiply with 3. 2 into 3 as minus 2 into minus 3 as minus 6. Okay, minus 6 minus 1 by 14. Both of them are negative integers. Then how can add? We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. 6 plus 1 as 7 minus 7 by 14. 7 and 14 has the multiples of 7. 7 has 1 time and 14 has 2 times. We get the answer minus 1 by 2. Once more, first we change the order of that question because minus 3 by 7 has repeated twice. Then we take as minus 3 by 7 as common by distributive law. Then we get 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. We add these numbers 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. We get 5 by 5. It's 1. Then if we multiply with 1, we get the same number minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. We take as the LCM as 14. Then the numerator of 3 is changed as minus 6 because 14 by 7 is 2. Then multiply with that same number minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. Minus 7 by 14 is minus 1 by 2. Okay. The next. Okay, it is the first question. Exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. It is same as example 5. Then the question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. What number repeat in this question? 3 by 5 is repeated twice in this question. Then we can change the order of question by commutativity property because rational numbers are commutative. Then we can change the order of question minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. If you change the order of question, you should change the sign of that question because the sign of 5 by 2 is addition and sign of 3 by 5 has negative. Then we get minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 3 by 5 has repeated twice. But one thing, the first case the sign of 3 by 5 is positive. But the second case sign of 3 by 5 has negative. You know 1 into minus 2. What is the value 1 into minus 2? The answer is minus 2. Then in the same way minus 2 into 1 the same as minus 2. It means if you change the sign we get the same answer. 1 into minus 2 as equal minus 2 into 1. In this way we can change the signs. Minus 2 by 3 has plus 2 by 3 and plus 3 by 5 has minus 3 by 5. Once more, if you multiply 1 into minus 2 we get minus 2. In the same way minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. In that way we can change the sign of this question. Minus 2 by 3 as plus 2 by 3, 3 by 5 as minus 3 by 5. Then we get minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then both cases the sign of 3 by 5 is negative. Then we take as minus 3 by 5 as common by distributive law. Then the remaining numbers are 2 by 3 and second case 1 by 6. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Then we should change the numerator because 6 by 3 is 2. Then we should multiply with the 2 into 2. We get 4. 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Then you should change the numerator as 2 as 4 because 6 by 3 is 2. Then you should multiply with the numerator 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 by 6 minus 3 by 5 into 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay, 4 plus 1 as 5 by 6. Then you should cancel the denominator 5 and numerator 5. Then 3 and 6 are cancelled by 3. 3 has 1 time and 6 has 2 time. The negative sign as less. We get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, 5 5s are cancelled. 3 6. 3 has 1 time. 6 has 3 2 time. We get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Denominators are same. You should add the numerator minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. Negative and positive. Subtract the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. 5 minus 1 is 4 and sign of bigger number is positive. We get 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Once more, in this question, minus 2 by 3 has common. But one thing, 1 into minus 2 is equal minus 2 into 1. In that way, we can change the sign of that question. Minus 2 by 3 as plus 2 by 3. 3 by 5 as minus 3 by 5. Then we take minus 3 by 5 as common. We get minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. In the LCM method, the LCM of 3 and 6 are 6. Then we add the numerators 4 plus 1 because 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 5 5s are cancelled. 3 and 6 are cancelled by 3. 3 has 1 time and 6 has 2 time. We get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Denominators are same. you should add the numerators minus 1 plus 5. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, it is the second question. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Okay, in this question what number repeated? 2 by 5 was repeated in the first and last case. Then you should change the order of that question by commutativity property. Okay, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus the last case 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. One thing, if you change the order of question, you should change the sign, because the sign of 1 by 14 as positive and sign of 1 by 6 as negative. Don't forget about it. Okay. Then the first two cases 2 by 5 as common. Then by distributive law we take as common as 2 by 5. The remaining numbers are minus 3 by 7. The second case as 1 by 14. Then the last one minus 1 by 16 into 3 by 2. 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 1 into 3 is 3. 6 into 2 is 12. We get minus 3 by 12. Minus 3 by 12 means 1 by 4, because 3 has 3 one time, 12 has 3 4 times. Then you should add the bracket minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. By LCM method, this LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Then you should change the numerator. 14 by 7 is 2. The same number you should multiply with the numerator. 2 into minus 3, it become minus 6. One more, the LCM of 7 and 14 take as 14. Then you should change the numerator, because 14 by 7 is 2. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 by 14. Okay, minus 6 plus 1 negative and positive. We subtract the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then bigger number is 6. Sign of bigger number is negative. We get minus 5 by 14. We get 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Okay. 5 are cancelled. 2, 14 are cancelled by 2. Then we get minus 1 by 7. Once more, 5 are cancelled. 2 and 14 are cancelled. 2 has 2 one time. 14 has 2 7 times. We get minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Then how can I add? By LCM method, but in this case 7 and 4 has no common numbers or no common factors. Then 7 into 4 is 28. 28 by 7 is, we should take as LCM as 28. 28 by 7 is 4. Then you should multiply with the numerator with 4. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. In the same way, 28 by 4 is 7. You should multiply with the numerator with 7. 1 into 7, 7. Then minus 4 minus 7 by 28. Both of them are negative integers. Then how can I add? We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. 4 plus 7 is 11. Put the sign of negative, minus 11 by 28. Okay, once more, you should change the order of question. Then 2 by 5 was take as common by distributive law. Then you should add the bracket minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. We get minus 6 plus 1 by 14. Minus 6 plus 1 by 14 as minus 5 by 14. 5 are cancelled, but the negative sign remains that. Then 2 and 14 are cancelled by 2. We get minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. But in this case, no common factors as 7 and 4. Then 7 into 4 as 28. 28 by 7 is 4. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 28 by 4 is 7. 7 into 1 is 7. Minus 4 minus 7 as minus 11 by 28. Write the additive inverse of the following. You already learned about additive inverse. Okay, what do you mean by additive inverse? Same rational numbers with a opposite sign. Okay, these are some difficult question, but I think it is very simple. Minus 6 by minus 5. Numerator and denominator as negative. Then we can cancel both negative. We get 6 by 5. Then what is additive inverse of 6 by 5? Is minus 6 by 5. Okay. The next case 2 by minus 9. The negative sign is lies in the denominator. One thing, if the negative sign is lies in the denominator or the numerator, it is a negative rational number, minus 2 by 9. Then the additive inverse of minus 2 by 9 is the same rational number with opposite sign. We get 2 by 9, positive 2 by 9. In the same way, 19 by minus 6, negative sign is lies in the denominator. It means it is a negative rational number, minus 19 by 6. Then the additive inverse of minus 19 by 6 is same rational number with the opposite sign, 19 by 6 as positive. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. You already learned about multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Okay, what do you mean by it? The denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. These are some questions. Minus 13. Minus 13 is a rational number. Yes, because we can simply denote as minus 13 by 1. It is same as minus 13. Minus 13 by 1. Then its multiplicative inverse is the denominator 1 as numerator 1 by 13. But doesn't change in their sign. Minus 1 by 13. We get minus 1 by 13. The same way, the next question is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. You should multiply the numerators and denominators. Minus 5 into minus 3, 15. Because both of them are negative, we get 15. 8 into 7, 56. Then multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. Okay. The denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. This third case, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 can be denoted as minus 1 by 1 because minus 1 is a rational number. Minus 1 by 1 into minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. 1 into 5 as 5. Then it's reciprocal or multiplicative inverse as 5 by 2. Okay, the last case, minus 1. Minus 1 is a rational number. Then minus 1 can be represented as minus 1 by 1. Then its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is 1 by 1. It's same as minus 1 by 1. Then 1 by 1 is 1. Then we get the reciprocal of minus 1 as minus 1. Okay, dear students, in this section we discuss some problems using properties and also discuss some additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. And if you have any doubts, you should contact me personally or call me. Okay, thank you.